Your brain makes up only about 2% of your body weight, yet it consumes nearly 20% of your total energy. Most of the time, it manages daily tasks efficiently. But the moment your brain detects a threat, whether it's a wild animal or an unread email marked urgent, it switches into survival mode. Stress is not just a feeling, it's a chemical reaction. Your brain releases stress hormones that disrupt neurotransmitters responsible for focus, memory, and happiness. As a result, the very system you need to solve problems becomes weaker when stress is highest. This leads to what scientists call a vicious cycle. Stress interferes with sleep and digestion. Poor sleep causes exhaustion. Exhaustion lowers performance at work or school. Tasks begin to pile up, triggering guilt and negative self-talk. That mental pressure creates even more stress. Over time, this becomes chronic. The immune system weakens, muscles stay tense, and the body lives in a constant state of fatigue. This is no longer psychological, it's biological. So why does modern life feel more stressful than ever? Our ancestors faced physical danger, and stress helped them survive. Today, the threats are invisible but constant. Expectations have replaced predators. We create rigid timelines for success. By a certain age, we believe we must have money, stability, and a perfect plan for life. When reality doesn't match these expectations, we interpret it as personal failure. On top of that, external pressure from family, society, and comparison culture pushes people to be exceptional in a world of billions. This creates unhealthy environments where pressure is endless and satisfaction is rare. Here is the surprising truth. Stress itself is not the real danger. How you think about stress matters more than the stress you experience. A long-term study of over 30,000 people showed that high stress increased the risk of death by 43%, but only among people who believed stress was harmful to their health. Those who experienced high stress but did not view it as dangerous had the lowest risk of death. In other words, stress became deadly only when it was feared. Modern psychology now suggests a different approach. Instead of fighting stress, we should understand it. Stress is your body's way of preparing you to meet a challenge. Your heart beats faster to deliver oxygen. Your senses sharpen. Your energy rises. When you see stress as a tool rather than a threat, your body responds in a healthier way. Managing stress starts with focusing on what you can control. Regular physical activity and healthy eating reduce the physical damage caused by stress hormones. Setting boundaries is essential. Distance yourself from people or expectations that place unjustified pressure on you. Most importantly, asking for help is not weakness. Talking to friends, family, or professionals can break the cycle before it becomes chronic. The real goal is not a stress-free life. The goal is a healthy environment with the least amount of unnecessary pressure. Stress is part of being alive. Let it work for you, not against you, and never let the pressure to be perfect steal your quality of life.